cookies, and so far we've just had like the eggs and the butter and that, and the vanilla. So we're about to dip in this big jar into it, which I have to use my other hand for this makeup. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's not coming out. Where's the spoon?
I might have to tap it like this. Go. Loosen it up. So we're making chocolate chip cookies. The steps we've already done is to cream the butter, the egg and the vanilla essence. And in this jar is flour, baking soda, salt, sugar, brown sugar and choc chips. So it's quite an easy way to do it when you buy it all in a jar like this. Oh, and the jar's empty. I think it was a fundraising jar. Next step is mix well.
Guys, look at this. You can barely see the eggs and the butter in it. Or you can see one piece of butter.
It's going to need a fair bit of mixing, isn't it?
It's going to take 10 to 12 minutes to cook. So we'll see you guys after it cooks. But don't go yet, don't go.
We'll just do some mixing and then we've got to get a baking tray ready with baking paper on it.
Yeah. Oh guys, look, you can see the egg now. And that.
Wonder how many cookies it's going to make.
My guess is like 20 or 30.
Whoa.
Because there's a lot of it.
It's a big mixture.
Guys, like literally, it's hard to mix. See, look.
Especially with a broken arm. Do you want me to turn the camera off and hold the...
No, I'm going to restart.
We're not restarting, keep talking.
Okay, so it's pretty good, but we haven't finished it yet. It's turning a different color, the flour. It's turning like brown, you can see that. And yeah. Let's see if the camera can use its magical hands to have a go. So now my little helper is doing it. So as you guys can see, there's like enough for like 20 or 30. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. At the end, we're gonna like see how they end up, see how much we get. And we might even do a little bit of maths, like counting them, like 2 and 8 or something like that. For those who are in my class, like, you know how we've been learning about from the 10? We might be like using that. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. So after this, the next step is to get like a thingy to put it on the baking tray.
You might have to pause it for a minute.
I'll go get the baking tray, guys. Okay. Which one do we need? This one? So that's the baking tray. We usually use pizza for it, but it's fine. There's no work using that for it. And guys, check out this. Okay.
I think it's going to need some more butter in that to mix it around.
Okay guys, we need some more butter. We just figured that out. Yeah. So we're doing pretty well. Say hi to everyone. Who doesn't know if, like, look at this. Okay. I don't think I've ever baked cookies before, so this is like my first time. And it smells so good. Oh, look, there's a bit of flour there. I'm going to try and get that while looking at the camera. Oh, somewhere here. Guys, tell me if I'm close. Here. Okay. At the end, yeah, we're going to try and make them like a brownie crispy colour, but we'll just see how it turns out. Hopefully one of them doesn't have like almost all the choc chips and the other ones don't really have any, because that will be a bit of a problem. So guys, we'll see you again once we've started mixing it. Okay guys, we're back and it's looking pretty good. This is like, we still got like 7 seconds left. Most of you are 8, but comment down below how old you are.
Okay. Nice and runny. That's what
So we got some runny butter now.
This needs to be.
It looks like egg yolk, doesn't it, guys?
Needs to be a bit more wetter to mix together.
Now we're going to mix it again. What do you think this looks like, you guys? I'll tell you the answers at the end. You guys can guess in the comments. So look where it is. What do you think that blue sparkly thing is? How dirty? When was the last time that we washed this?
This is baking bits.
It's got cracks all over it as well. So just so you guys know, this is my first time making cookies. Well, let's see how this tastes. I got a piece of butter. It doesn't taste very good at all. Oops. Okay, guys. So, what's that there? I don't really know what to do while we're waiting, but you guys tell us in the comments how you think these cookies are going to turn out. Now we're back to mixing it.
I'm going to see if it presses together into a cookie.
Let's
my hands.
see. Can I do it?
I need to see if it works first. Oh yeah, that's going to make a cookie, isn't it?
Yeah. That looks like
Have we
pretty
got our
good.
baking paper for our tray?
Not yet, no.
Or are we just going to spray the tray?
We can just spray the tray, I guess. Okay. Guys, literally look at that. I can't see it, but tell me if you see it. Okay, most of you say you see it.
Go back over there.
Here's this.
Good job washing the hands.
Okay, guys, let's see. What's in here? I'm gonna try and see if I can make the perfect circle, you guys. This is looking pretty good at the circle.
Pop it on and flatten it out.
Do you guys think that's a good circle? Or does it look more like an oval? I don't know, but ready? We're about to ruin it. Okay, I'm gonna do some tests at the end, like maybe some friends of 10 or something. Something to do with the cookies. But you don't have to answer them if you don't want.
You're going to have to pause and say we'll come back when they're all done.
Okay guys, we'll come back when they're all done. Bye. Putting it in the oven.
Now.
Okay guys, we're putting it in the oven and there's 7 cookies. So we're gonna get another tray for the rest of them because look how much there is. We might be through like 3 trays. Bye, see you when it's done. Guys, welcome back to part 2 of the cookie video. So we finished the cookies and we're gonna see how they taste. So we'll see. So it tastes pretty good. It's a bit soft, but it's fine. So you guys look. It's like a squishy.
Hard enough to.
Bye guys.